Today we will see the top 10 big displacement motorcycles. The displacement bikes produce more torque than horsepower. The list starts with number 10, Triumph Thunderbird Storm. The bike has a huge 1,699 cubic centimeters engine, and it produces 98 horsepower. It has 156 Newton-meters of torque, and has a parallel twin engine instead of a traditional V-twin. Number 9 is the Victory Freedom V-twin, Hammer 8-ball. Victory Freedom has a 1,731 cubic centimeters engine. It has a V-twin engine that produces 97 horsepower, and 153 Newton-meters of torque. Suzuki M1800C 1800 is at number 8. The bike is equipped with a huge 1,783 cubic centimeters engine. The engine produces 125 horsepower at the rear wheel, and 160 Newton-meters of torque. Honda VTX 1800 is at number 7. This Japanese motorcycle has a 1,795 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that produces 89 horsepower, and 134 Newton-meters of torque at its rear wheel. American manufacturer Harley-Davidson is at number 6. The bike has a massive 1,801 cubic centimeters engine which produces 156 Newton-meters of torque. Number 5 is the Indian Chief. The Indian Chief motorcycle is equipped with a 1,811 cubic centimeters engine that produces 100 brake horsepower, and 139 Newton-meters of torque. Honda Gullwing is at number 4. This is another Japanese manufacturer motorcycle, with a 1,832 cubic centimeters massive engine that produces 118 horsepower, and 167 Newton-meters of torque. Next is Yamaha XV 1900. The engine of the motorcycle has a massive displacement of 1,854 cubic centimeters that produces 89 horsepower. The range of the motorcycle is 90 to 120 kilometers per hour, and has 155 Newton-meters of torque. Kawasaki VN 2000 is at number 2. The motorcycle was manufactured in Japan, and it has a massive 2,053 cubic centimeters engine. This engine produces 103 brake horsepower, and 177 Newton-meters of torque. Top on the list is Triumph Rocket 3. The motorcycle has a massive 2,294 cubic centimeters engine that generates 146 horsepower, and 220 Newton-meters of torque. I hope you like the information. For more interesting videos, follow us.